If you need to remove a payment method from your DoorDash account, follow these simple steps to ensure your payment information is updated correctly. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu option in the top corner of the app. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to access your account details. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In Account Settings, look for the Payment Methods option. This section will display all the payment methods currently linked to your account. Step 4. Choose the payment method to remove. Find the payment method you wish to remove. Tap on it to view more details and options related to that payment method. Step 5. Remove the payment method. Look for the option to remove or delete the payment method. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure it is successfully removed from your account. Once you have completed these steps, your payment method will be removed from DoorDash. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to DoorDash customer support for assistance.